Okay, in this video we are going to understand something which is known as a spread operator. Now obviously I don't know how to explain it, like spreading an operator or something like that. Let's try to understand with this an example. So I have two constant arrays. Okay, I have constant Avengers, we have Iron Man, Spider-Man and Hulk, and then we have constant Justice League, Batman, Superman and Flash. I think Batman will go like this again. Now let's see if we want to combine them. So I'll say const superheroes, and I'll say Avengers and Justice League. So I'm combining them into another array, I mean constant superheroes array. Now I'll say console.log superheroes. Now see what happens. I have this array, if I talk about, which has two arrays. Now if I'll open this, obviously you can see I have at the 0th index I have this array which has Avengers, Iron Man, Spider-Man, Hulk, and in the first index I have Batman, Superman, Flash. But obviously I don't want to do something like this. I want to I want to show them like this. I'll say console.log Avengers. So you can see Avengers are spread. Okay, so now what we can do, let me comment this out, and here I'll do dot. I have said dot Justice League. Now let's try to see what happens. So instead of writing that, I'll just uncomment the line. Now you can see I'm getting it as the size of the array is 4. So it has one array, so which is the first index we have array, and in the first index we have Batman, which is a string if I talk about, then we have Superman and Flash. So it has now 4 elements. If I'll do dot to the Avengers array, I'll save the file, and now you can see the size of this array is 6. Iron Man, Spider-Man, Hulk, Batman, Superman, Flash. So you can see this is how the spread operator is used, which is a new part of ECMAScript 6.